Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesback-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Dandelion Dangle earrings. These earrings are created using simple loops. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are chain nose pliers, wire cutters, round nose pliers, 3 different beads. 2 of them are 6mm, 1 is 4mm, some eye pins, an ear wire, and we are using today this yellow flower and resin pendant, just added to howcraftcollection.com. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Dandelion Dangle earrings. We're going to start by grabbing an eye pin, and we're going to pick up a light green opaque Czech glass fire polished 6mm bead. We're just going to slide that bead down, and we are going to bend the wire back. And we're going to come in, trim that little end. The end makes a bend. Using our round nose pliers, we're going to form a simple loop. We're just going to place our pliers there, and we are going to roll the wire towards us. My loops are slightly off. Simple fix. Grab it with the round nose pliers at the top. Pick up your chain nose pliers. Make a little twist, and we have straightened out that loop. Now we're going to come over, and we're going to open that loop. This is how you open and close a loop. We're going to grab our pendant, attach it, come back over, and we are just going to close that loop. Now we're going to pick up a jonquil AB Czech glass fire polish 6mm round, and we're going to grab another eye pin, and we're going to string that down. We're going to bend that wire so it's facing towards the side. We're going to trim that wire. Always make sure you grab that wire when you're trimming. You don't want it flying around and hitting you. And now we're going to form our simple loop. We're just rolling the wire towards us. The loops are facing the same way. So we're going to come back in. We're going to open that loop. Grab the earring, attach it, and close the loop. Now we are going to pick up a light green 4mm peridot Czech glass bead. Okay, so the loop is facing this way, and we want our loop on this last connection to be facing the opposite way so that when we attach our ear wire, it's going to be in line with the pendant. So normally I make a bend here, which I'm going to do, but it's really hard to bend wire on such a small bead. So what I like to do is grab my pliers, put it all the way at the end, and then bend the wire down. We're still going to have a little gap, but that will disappear when we make our loop. We're going to come back over. We're going to cut our wire, grabbing our round nose pliers. We're going to set it right about there. We're forming our simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. If the loop is off just a tad, you can move it over and then come back in and press that loop down. And do you see how they're facing opposite directions? That's what we need so that the ear wire will face the right direction with the pendant going forward. So now I'm grabbing my chain nose pliers and I'm just opening that loop. It doesn't matter which end. And we are going to attach it. Grab our chain nose pliers and close the loop. And now we're going to pick up our ear wire. Whoops, this one's open. Let me show you how you open and close. So this one's closed. You never want to pull it this way. You'll ruin the shape. So we're going to grab it and you're just going to open it like that to the side. And then we want to make sure it's facing the correct way. Get that undone. Flip it around, attach it, come back in, and just close that loop. And now our earring is complete. And there you have it, how to create my Dandelion dangle earrings. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added to the website weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features a fabulous new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.